Hello, everyone, and welcome to eVision Internship Training Program. Here you can see the program name here is the job internship, which is designed by eVision. And this internship basically covers all the latest technologies, okay, which is actually the requirement for you to work in these job profiles in any of these companies. This is what is the main focus of this internship, is to equip you with all the latest technologies which is needed to perform your projects in a real environment like the company's IMS. So no matter whichever organization you join, whether you join Wipro or Cognizant or Infosys or Accenture or HP, this particular technologies always is needed. Okay, these four technologies to work in this job profiles. So that is why this particular internship is designed. Okay, now it is designed by IT administrators and managers, means those professionals who are actually working in companies right now. Okay, as IT administrator, as IT manager, from their context, this internship has been designed so that you can ultimately get that industry exposure before joining any of these companies and perform your roles and responsibilities in these job profiles. Okay, because the whole idea here is to give you as much as possible that real-time exposure, and that is why this internship is designed in this manner. So this internship doesn't cover only just one, okay, information or on one area. You are not going to specialize. You will be specializing in multiple areas. Okay. So these are actually the programs which are covered in this particular internship. So that is CommShare 10 plus. This is for network related technologies, the basics of network you get to know here. Then the virtualization, which is very much needed these days. Everything is getting virtualized. How we can utilize virtualization and how we perform, okay, companies, different network infrastructure related project, cloud infrastructure related project. These are the things you will be getting to know here. Windows Server, Linux Server administration, you will be understanding. So this administration that is using Windows Server technologies, Linux Server technologies. Okay, so those certifications, what I have talked about earlier, MCSA, RSCSA, those technologies you will be understanding here. CCNA, which is very much popular for their network technologies. This is provided directly by Cisco. And this certification technologies you will understand here. ITIL, this is another industry standard certification provided to you to get to know that how exactly the entire process of this service desk analyst, the technical support, okay, how this entire process it works. Okay, whenever we get any type of ticket, then how exactly we deal with the ticket. Okay, as a tech support engineer, as a system analyst, how we raise ticket, how we give priority to ticket. These are all the things which is covered in this ITIL. And cybersecurity. These are all like what cyber related threats, cyber crimes, which is happening, okay, almost on a daily basis. Okay, to have any organization which is very popular, very renowned, hackers always they're trying to infiltrate in those organizations, okay, IMS, and perform some like what cyber attacks. This is to protect, okay, that how exactly we can protect the company's IT infrastructure from this type of cyber attacks or cyber threats. All right, so this particular, okay, job internship covers everything. Okay, all these things in multiple areas you are getting the specialization here. Okay, starting from the basics, okay, then your networking, you will be getting to know, then server administration, how it is done, then your ITIL, okay, then cyber security, okay, then the cloud, okay, the cloud, which is very much important. That is your AWS. Okay, these are all very much popular certifications. You will be getting to know those cloud technologies here as well. Okay. If you are planning to work as a system engineer, you have to know network technologies. You have to know server. Okay, because these days companies are hiring candidates who are specialized in multiple areas. They are not simply just hiring candidates who are specifically focused in Windows or Linux server like that. You must have the idea of networking. You must have the idea of virtualization. You must know the security as well, the networking, all the things which is like what content, okay, in the roles and responsibilities of system engineer these days. As an IT professional, this is what exactly the versatility, okay, in terms of technologies. This is very much needed these days. And that is why this internship is designed, so that you can get all this information in one place. Okay. So the internship informations, okay, uh, you can find it in this website as well. Okay. Over here, we have the details also available. If you simply just go to uh, Google here, and from here, if you search evision, from there you can see. Okay. So if I simply just go to, let me just go to the fact. Yes. So this is your frequently asked questions here. And over here, you can get to know. Okay. Most of the questions answers are available. Okay. So what are the companies? Okay. In which exactly you will be getting placement. These are all the informations you can find it. Okay. From here. Okay. So these details you can find it directly from this Division website. Okay, you can simply just go to the main website here, and from here you can scroll down, and over here you can find this frequently asked questions. From there you can basically get the idea about the age criteria, the eligibility criteria here. Okay, so you can see that this is what you are having, the eligibility criteria. Okay, degree or diploma is needed. Okay, and this is like very much like what the requirement for attending the interview also. Okay, if you are joining any organization, you have to go through the interview process, and this interview eligibility criteria is this. Okay, this is. So if I simply just tell you that this internship here is conducted in the online mode. Okay, both the interview and the internship, these are in online mode. You are going to be attending it. Okay, because once you complete your duration of 45 days, this is the minimum duration you are having, 45 days duration, and in this you will be understanding all this, okay, all this contents. So every single session you can join in the online mode with Zoom, Webex, Microsoft Team. Okay, and using these platforms you are getting that ultimate facility, and that facility is you can basically record. Okay, you can get the recording option as well. Means if you are joining a particular session and suppose next day you cannot join for any reason, you can get the recorded session as well. So this is provided in these platforms. So interview is also conducted online. Okay, and this is your internship duration 45 days. Remember that. So if I'm talking about the benefits here, there are lots of benefits which is coming here. First of all, it is designed by company's administrator and managers. So you are getting the real time, okay, projects here. And these projects, which is like what in the organization you will be doing. This is what you will get to know from the industry professional. So all these are IT professionals who are basically conducting this internship. And every single project you will have to do the practice properly. Okay, because if you don't practice it, then you will not get that exposure. Okay, this is very much needed, that every single project what is shown to you, you practice it properly to understand that how it is done. Okay, so this is from industry professionals, you are going to be understanding it. Placement guarantee is there. Okay, it's a 100% job guaranteed program. Why? Because you are getting that requirements, which is actually the need for organizations, okay, to work in specific job profiles. Whatever the company's requirement for you to work as system engineer, to work as tech support engineer, this is what you are understanding here. This is the projects what you are doing here. Okay. So this informations, when you add in your resume, this is how exactly you are making your professional profile, okay, in IT, okay, in IT companies, because this is very much like what the need, okay, the need of time, okay, for any candidate. It is very much needed that you must have all these informations available with you to work in any of these companies. It doesn't matter whether it's a small company or large scale company, but this is what is the requirement. Okay, so that is why all these informations, okay, are being considered here to build this internship. And another advantage what you are getting, that is LMS access. That is your learning management system. In this learning management system, you are getting every single session details update. Okay, like when the sessions will be conducted, you can directly join the sessions directly from the LMS here. Similarly, the contents which is covered in all this, N plus, CCNA, ITIL, virtualization, you can see the contents of it. Okay. And similarly, your interview informations, okay, like what exactly, if any notifications are there, you will be getting that notification. We have the chat system also available in which you can directly chat with your instructor who will be conducting the sessions. So these are all IT professionals, as I have already told you, but you can have a one-to-one chat as well. So this chat facility is also there. So it's a very centralized system from which you are getting access to every single thing. Okay, this is the LMS. Once you join the session, you will be getting access to it. So how many candidates have already got their placement, okay, in these organizations? This is what you can find it from here. Okay, if you simply just go to this Evision YouTube channel, from there you can find all the details. Okay, so simply just type Evision Technoserve Private Limited. From there, if you simply just go to videos, and if you see, okay, over here, these are all latest candidates who have got placed in these companies recently. You can see the 9 hours ago, this is 10 hours ago, this 1 day ago, this 1 day. Okay, this one is 1 day ago. Okay, this one 2 days ago. These are all entire week. Okay, you are having these placements which has been done. The feedbacks are available. Okay, these are all feedbacks which is provided by these candidates here. Okay, you can watch these feedbacks, you can get the idea about this internship, okay, how they have got the placement. So you can also search it here as well. If I simply just use the search button, from there you can find it that how many candidates have got placed from your city as well, like from Mumbai. If I search it, here you can see these are all candidates which are located in Mumbai. They have got their placement. Okay. Similarly, from your location also, suppose you are located in Bangalore. Okay. Then you can search on Bangalore. And from Bangalore also you can find, okay, all these candidates. So you can also use this filter. Okay, this is the search option. You can filter by your location and you can watch their feedbacks. Okay. So this is one of the source from which you can get to know. And this is your official website, as I have already shared with you. Okay, this is the official website in which exactly you are getting the frequent asked questions here, all the things, okay, you are getting. So if you are not qualifying for a job, then what will happen? You can see that we have 100% placement record. Some interview from formalities you will have to basically complete. If you don't qualify, then Evision will return your paid training fee. Okay, so this is a paid, okay, internship. And this information you can find it that how much exactly you are having the fees. Okay, these details are also provided here. Okay. So you can easily find all this information, okay, from here by visiting the official website. Okay. But this is something what is given to you as a guarantee. Okay. You are getting a job guarantee on stamp paper. Evision is providing you this. Okay. Because every single candidate who has already got placed, okay, their contact number informations, you can get it. Okay. For your confirmation purpose, you can get it. If you want to verify that how many candidates have got placed, okay, if you want their contact number, Evision also is providing you this facility. And this is always guaranteed. Okay. It is always guaranteed because of the fact that what you understand here, these are all practical things. Okay. These are all real time we are using to do companies' projects. So this is one of the source here from which you are getting it. But let me tell you that the placement process, how it happens. Okay. So once your internship duration is completed, okay, then you will be sending your resume, okay, to Evision HR. Okay, so this is your resume, which you will be sending it to Evision HR, and Evision HR will prepare your resume. Okay, so this job resume preparation, you don't have to do it. Evision will be doing it. So as you can see, this is the candidate's resume, which has been sent to Evision HR. And this is the second step. HR modify your resume as per company standards, because every single job interview, okay, when you go for okay, in any company. This is when there are certain standards in which your resume should be made. Okay, there are some certain skills, okay, which should be matched in order to prepare your resume and you attempt the interview. So, like Evision HR will prepare all your resume informations here as per the standards, okay, and then they will schedule your interview. Okay, so this is the Evision HR who has prepared your resume. In this manner, your resume will be prepared. And these are all matching the skills, okay, which is needed for you to work in a specific job profile. In this manner, it will be prepared. Okay. So you uh, once your resume is prepared, then this is your step 3. Okay. In step 3, you are getting your interview call. Okay. This is directly sent to you from the company. Okay. So you can see that this mail is coming from here, from this, okay, LNT, okay, Mindtree. This is the company who has sent this mail ID, and this is the talent acquisition team, okay, who has sent this mail to this candidate. So you will be receiving this type of mail also, okay. This will be coming directly from the company, okay, where you have the interview scheduled. So once you attend the interview online, then this is what you are going to get, okay. Your personal details information will be sent to the HR being selected for a job. Okay, so this is when you send your details, informations to the HR here. And once you complete this process, receive the offer letter. Okay, after entering all details to the HR. So this is your offer letter, which looks like this. Obviously, you have to clear the interview, but this interview, once you clear it, you can see, okay, the offer letter. You can see the package here, what you will be getting per annum. So here is a whole list of candidates. These are all candidates offer letter only. This is the candidate. Okay. So here, if I simply just open this is the offer letter. So he has got the placement in this particular organization. Okay. LTI Mindtree. Okay. Limited. And these are all latest placement only, which has been given here. Okay. Similar like this candidate. There is also other offer letters are also there. If I simply just show you another one, for example, this one. So here you can see the offer letter, how much package he is getting. You can see total CTC, okay, how much package, and the gross amount, how much, okay, deduction is how much. These are all salary package informations, which is also given in your offer letter as well. Okay, so all the details are provided to you in this manner. Okay, what are the documents you will have to submit to the company? Okay, so that is your passport size photographs, your address proof, your PAN card, other card. These are all the things you will have to submit, and you will have to go through this. Okay, because this, like what, this document you will have to signature. You have to sign it. As you can see, the signature field is there. You will have to sign it. So this is one of the offer letter of this candidate here who has got his job in this. Okay, this is the date here. Similarly, if I open another one, okay, if I open this one, okay, so this is another candidate offer letter. So here you can see. So this is the company here. Okay, so place of posting, you can see the Bangalore location is posting. Date of joining, you can see November 08, 2024. Okay, and this is what exactly compensation, how much he's getting. You can see it clearly, 3.3 lakhs. Okay, so in between 2.5 to 3.5 lakhs always you will be getting. Okay, probation period 6 months always is there. In the probation period, your performance is always like what, verified. Okay, it is always monitored that how exactly you are performing, your roles, your responsibilities, every single project you are doing it or not. Okay, these details are always given. Then these are the documents what you need to submit. Okay, so this information is always you have to submit no matter whichever company you join. Okay, then these are the terms conditions. You will have to read the terms conditions properly. Okay, then this is the final acceptance you will have to give. Okay, along with your signature. So Let me just share with you another candidate here. So these are all candidates who have already got the placement in different companies, everyone. Okay, so this is one candidate who has got placement in this organization called Technogen India Private Limited. Okay, it's a medium scale IT company. And this is the date. He has joined as technical operations analyst. And this is the date of joining, you can see. Okay, 25th September 2024. Okay, he's from the Telangana location. And this is what the package what he's getting as a fresher, 2.5 lakhs. Okay, so probation period you can see that is 6 months, which is like what in general it is there. And this is the terms conditions you will have to read properly. Okay, these terms conditions are there. The documents what you need to submit, like your education details. Okay, that is your certificates, your passport size photographs. Okay, salary. If you are already working in some organization, so you will have to pay them. Okay, you will have to show them your pay slips and all these things. And this is your other card, PAN card. These informations you have to submit. And this is your package details. You can see it clearly. Okay, how it is broken down. Okay, how much you are getting your net package, net salary. You can see it here. So this is your package. That is 2.5 lakhs. You can see that is the fixed CTC. How much you are getting the basic, how much your HRA, other allowances, gross salary, how much you are getting. Okay, per annum, per month basis, it is calculated. Employees deduction, PF wise, that is your provident fund, ESI, PT, all these are employees deduction, how much they're deducting and how much you are getting your net salary. This is what you can see clearly. Okay, per monthly basis, per yearly basis. So this is what in a detailed manner you get to see. Okay, in your offer letter, the salary informations are provided to you. Okay, so this type of like what process you are having, okay, systematic process in which your placement will be provided in these organizations. But one thing always remember that guaranteed placement is coming. Means if you are not getting a job, okay, in any of these organizations like Wipro, IBM, Cisco, so many companies are there. There's a whole list of companies, okay, name is there. If you are not getting a job in any of these big companies, medium scale companies are there where you will be getting it. Okay, if you are not getting in medium scale companies, then small scale companies are there. Means one of the organization you will be definitely get your job. This is the guarantee what Vision is giving you. Okay, so internship sessions are being conducted. Live sessions we have, recorded sessions we have. Okay, duration is 45 days. So if you are basically free, okay, like if you are not working and you want to join live sessions, then this is your time slots available. Okay, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., 9 p.m. to 11:30. In this time slots, these live sessions available. And recorded videos, like those of you who are already working, okay, in some organization, you don't have time to join the live sessions, you can go for the recorded sessions. This is one exactly 45 days. Okay, you are having the duration, same duration only. Okay, but remember that all this like what module which will be covered in this entire internship, revision will be performed and one-to-one proper attention will be provided. Means if you are not getting something, you can directly ask your instructor and the instructor will be provide you clarification. So that is one-to-one interaction. You can always get it. Okay, per day per module, means every single module what will be covered. Okay, interview preparation will be there, because this is like what these are the questions what you are going to be facing, okay, in the interview. So this is the interview preparation also you will be doing, okay, side by side per module wise. Okay, and as I have already told you that voice calling, video calling, these are all recorded here. So if you cannot join a session for any reason, you can basically get the recording. You can watch what is basically what was covered in that particular session. So that is basically a benefit what you are getting here. Okay, that you are getting the recorded sessions here. So this benefits you are getting it. Okay, and remember that in the night sessions we are having this time slots available. Okay, and interview preparation wise, like what whole day's shift is available. Okay, and doubt clearance session is also there. Okay, if you want, okay, to get some doubts cleared, then doubt sessions can be arranged. And these are like what whole days, okay, basis it is having the shifts available. So these informations are available, okay, in the official website also you can find it, okay. And it is having certain fees, as I have already told you, that it is having certain fee structure available, and you can get to know the fee structure from here also. You can find the details, and similarly from your eVision HR also you will get to know. Okay, I hope that you guys have already communicated with your eVision HR regarding this, so they will also provide you the informations if you have any doubts about the fee structure. So communicate with your eVision HR in terms of any queries if you have it. Okay, as I have already told you that this particular internship is like what is for any candidate. Okay, any candidate can understand this, any candidate can join this. There is no prerequisite that you must have a degree to join this internship. Even if you are doing this, okay, degree or diploma, side by side you can do this internship, okay, as well. So this is what you can get to know the fee structure, the session timings also, as I have already told you, but session starting date you can get to know from eVision HR as well. Okay, so communicate with your eVision HR recruiter. Okay, they will provide you the information about when exactly the next session we are having, the starting date, and as well as fee structure related any queries if you have, you can also discuss with them. Okay.